Hey guys, it's Shannon. I found this really cute love decor piece, this one right here, at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it'd be really cute to kind of give it more of a farmhouse look. So I'm gonna start by taking off these two butterflies. I'm gonna be using my jigsaw, but if you guys have a hand saw, that will work just as good. Here it is, minus the butterflies, and then I just took a little bit of sandpaper to smooth down those raw edges. I'm actually going to be using a little bit of a weathering technique to paint this. My mantle has a black and white theme for Valentine's Day, so if you'd like to go see that, I will link that video in the iCards as well as down in the description box below, so if you'd like to see that and see how this is going to fit in with my decor. But of course you can paint yours to match your decor as well. For me, I'm gonna be doing that black and white theme, so I have some Waverly chalk paint in white and Waverly chalk paint in the color ink. And I'm going to first give it a coat of white, and then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of the black to give it a nice weathered look. It's just easy as that to take something that was only $1 from the Dollar Tree and change it up so that it matched my decor. I hope that this video inspired you. If it did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.